Hi everybody, my name is Teresa Kramer, and this is me and my new husband. We got married in the summer. Nathan. I'm a science teacher at Goddard School District outside of Wichita, so I'm at Eisenhower High School. And a fun, interesting fact about me, I was bucked off of a cow when I was, I don't know, I think about 5 or 6. So it's always kind of my go-to icebreaker fun fact. Regarding the reflection or reflective process, reflection to me promotes betterment in your craft or field and allows for moments to just pause, take in what's happening, and kind of gratitude for what's going on, even in the midst of trials. And I think we can all admit to the multiple trials we've had throughout the past 2 years in this program and COVID and being new teachers. So my experience with the reflective process has been through our, observation course, where we complete our reflections in that course. As far as a formal reflective process, my district also has a 3-year evaluation process for new teachers as well. So you are evaluated by a different administrator each year, and you kind of participate in reflection there as well. Something that I want to reflect on more is student engagement. I know this is the focus of everybody and everything we hear all the time, but that's something that I want to figure out. How can I make science still foundational learning, but engaging? And it's been really hard to compete with technology that distracts my students at the high school level. So how can I make science more engaging than that, or equally as engaging, is kind of the way I'm thinking of it. But I'm sure that I will reflect on many other things, as will the rest of you too. But anyway, nice to meet everybody, and looking forward to working with you all in this course. Bye.